So this is a US General Toolbox. This one's pretty small. It's only 8 drawers. They make a bunch of different sizes, but they all seem to share this same handle. Mounts on the side, and you're supposed to mount it on the side, but it has the swivel caster. Problem is, US General does not seem to sell this as a spare part, and I want 2 of them so I can lift the box from both sides. So what are you gonna do? 3D print it. So I designed the replacement here to be pretty much identical to the original. So there's a location pin, and then this is an M6 by 1.0 socket cap screw. It's about 60 millimeters long, or about 2.3 inches. It's the hardware that comes with the toolbox. And so pretty much the 2 sides they're not chiral, so it's basically the same part, and you just flip it over for the other side. And I did print it in this orientation, and so it does need a little support under this pin. Theoretically, you could delete this pin and glue it on after the fact if you want, but I didn't seem to waste that much filament. And then I did print it at 40% infill, so it would be pretty strong. And so then the big hole here accepts the closet rod, which is standard here in North America. This is closet rod, 1 5/16 inch diameter piece of wood, and it's pretty deep, so the wood probably comes about to here, inside here. So once installed, it's pretty tough. I'm able to lift and manhandle the box around pretty well, even though this side has fixed casters. So if you have one of these boxes and need another handle, try printing it. What's the worst that could happen? Okay, don't answer that.